Hey everyone, Cassie here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel for another video. Today I'm going to be showing you all of the Simon Hurley Create new stuff for March 2022, and there is some great stuff here. As always, I'm so excited to show all of it to you, but let's jump right into it because we just need to. So there is stamping foam, and this is a big size. So the previous one, let me grab it real quick. The previous size is much smaller, and that measures 4 1/4 by 3 inches, but this next one, look at the size, is huge. It's 4 1/2 by 5 3/4 inches. So it's going to fill a full A2 size card and then some, and it's going to be great. So probably be really nice on a 5 by 7 card. It'll give you a lot more options, a lot more, you know, a little bit bigger for sure. So definitely get your hands on this. This stuff always sells out so quickly. So we've got that. We've got the stamping foam. Then we also have several stencils. I will show you this one. This is the tiny circles. I love circles. I just think they're so versatile. You can use them on so many things. And this one kind of reminds me of bubble wrap. So I love this. Imagine your mixed media. It's going to be great with that. Then we have this stencil. This is called the Flip Flop Chevron. So you could do it in one color, flip it over, and do it in another color. And yeah, that's going to be really cool. I can't wait to play with that, and some Lunar Paste, which we'll talk about that in a second. We also have the Pinstripe Peel Apart Rubber Stamp. Let me trim it open and you can see I love the peel aparts. I always say that because there's a lot of bang for your buck here, because they peel apart. Look at this. I'm not going to peel them all apart, but there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pieces here. And so you can make your pinstripe as big as you want, the full 6 by 6, 1 of them, 2 of them, 3 of them, however many big you want. And so I love that. Oh, and you could even like cross hatch that one. That would be pretty cool to do that way too. All right, let's look at the next one. Our next background stamp is another peel apart. It's 2 pieces though, so this is called the Art Florals, and I'll show you that part that comes out of there. It's just 1 piece, and you can imagine it's probably one of the florals. So look at that, and it's right in the middle. I love that it's right in the middle, so check that out. Peel that out if you wanted to stamp just that way, or if you wanted just the 1 piece, and then just stick it back in place when you want to stamp the whole background. So pretty neat, huh? I love them. I love them. And that's a really pretty one. Imagine that one like heat embossed with some beautiful colors over the top. So pretty. All right. We also have a couple of stamp sets. This one's the Pretty Peonies. And I'm always a big fan when there is some 2-step stamping, because the Simon Hurley Create inks are just so awesome, and they blend so well together to mix new colors. So you can do like the rock and roll technique. You know, stamp down your, well, just stamp down your solid first using a couple different colors, and then you can stamp your lines over the top of it if you wanted to. And that works for this one and this one, which also has the leaves to go with it. And then you've got a couple of leaves here. You've got this leaf and this leaf. This one you could just color, and then this one as well. There's a lot of great sentiments. We've got sending sunshine, hugs. You bring me so much joy. You are in my prayers, thinking of you at this time, and tomorrow is a new day. I love the sentiments in this one. This one's probably going to get used quite a bit. I love it. So pretty. So you could color it, watercolor it, you know, Copic colors, do the 2-step stamping. It's fabulous. All right, and then we have another stamp set, and we also have a layering stencil to go with it. So let's talk about the stamp set first. This one is called Zesty, and I am so excited about it. We've got this beautiful branch here with your lemons or your limes, and you've got your leaves with it. You've got a couple of 2-step stamps here, this one for this lemon or lime. Then you've got your leaves. You also have this slice down here. You've got 1 big lemon. You've got a little face, and you've got hands and feet. I'm so excited for that. You have a pitcher of lemonade. So our sentiments say, when life gives you lemons, make lemonade, have a zesty birthday. Hello, you're the zest. You make things look easy peasy lemon squeezy. You got this. Thank you. You're my main squeeze. And then our layering stencil for this one, which is called Lemon Branch, is going to go over the branch. So you can do your branch. So it goes right over the top of the branch. Then you have like your lemons. Then we also have our leaves. And then if you want to add a little bit of darkness, I think it goes, goodness, I don't know how that goes. I'm going to have to play with that a little bit. Maybe it's, oh, here we go. Nope, that's not right. That's not right. I'm going to have to play around a little bit because I'm not sure. Does it go for the lemons? I'm sure I'll figure it out. Either way. Oh, here we go. Nope. Yes. Goes over the leaves here. So this piece takes care of all of them. So you could do that with a lighter color, and then you bring this one in and you could do like a darker, like two-tone color over the leaves for that. So this one's just the leaves, lemon branch. 3. Oh yeah, because they're even labeled. So lemon branch 1, lemon branch 2, and then lemon branch 3, lemon branch 4. So very great. And I'm excited to give that a shot because that makes it so much easier. A stamp like this is amazing because it does have some great detail, so you can color it very easily, but you could also make it simple on yourself and just ink blend right over the top of it. So I am happy about that. I feel like, and you could use this stencil on its own as well. It's just not going to have the detail. But how much better together, right? All right, so now that we've talked about that, let's talk about our brand new Lunar Pastes. We have Sike and Minty Fresh. So let's pull those out and we'll put those on our sample sheet because I have all of them together. I've got all of them because I love them all. And let's bring out, all right, I'm going to get a new sponge for each of those. So those are the mini ink blending sponges that I have. Let's pull out our tool. And we'll also do a palette knife so that we can spread it on there. All right, let's do our Sike. We'll do it on, but oh, look at that. I love this stuff, if you're new to it, because it is so creamy. It's metallic. It has so many uses. I did a card last month where I, look at that, it's just so creamy. I haven't had any issues with anything drying out. But I did a card last month where I used a bunch of different techniques just using the Lunar Paste. So I painted with the Lunar Paste. I stenciled with the Lunar Paste. I blended with the Lunar Paste. So I'll show you. I'll put a little bit down on both so you can see what it looks like on white paper. And I splattered with it too. Like, this stuff has so many uses. It's a really genius product. Okay, so I'll close that up, but there's so much in here. They're 2 fluid ounces. It's going to take you a ways. All right, and then I'll blend it so that you kind of have an idea. Okay. And I clean off my sponges. I will, if I know I'm done using it for that, I'll even spray a little bit of water. You can wash them that way. You can take them to the sink. But you don't want to let it just dry on there because it will get crusted. So that is definitely something to consider. Okay, so there is our Sike. Let's do our Minty Fresh. Oh, that's beautiful. And I love the way they look on both papers. My favorite is always the black, it seems. And if you leave it thick, it does take a minute to dry. You can use a heat tool, but if you use a heat tool, you got to keep that heat tool moving. Otherwise, it will bubble. Excuse me. All right, so all right, let's blend it a little bit. Ooh, love it. All right, I'll hold those up close. And I'll show you what they look like. But there's a lot in there. I like that triple berry Sike and Minty fresh together too. Look at that. It's so metallic. This one's dry, so you can see that it's not like it loses any of its beautiful luster. So what you see there is how it's going to dry. And then we've got all of our colors together. So your Later Gator and your Minty Fresh are going to look nice together. Golly, the color combos. You've got Slippery When Wet and Sike. So Slippery When Wet's just going to be a little bit more like a red or like a goldeny color, like a red gold. How pretty is that? So there you have it. There's all of our Lunar Paste colors together. These are another one that if you're interested, you better jump on it because they seem to sell out super fast as well. All right, so I'm gonna have everything linked down below. So go grab things that you think you just have to have right now because they usually, like I said, sell out quickly. If you like this video, hit the like button. Hit the notification button because I'm going to be playing with things as well. Why don't you do me a favor? If you had a favorite product that I showed today, or if you want to see me use, like, please use this. I'm going to use everything, but you know, you want to see something together, go ahead and leave that down in the comment section, or whatever your favorite product was that we showed today. Leave that down in the comment section because I'd love to know what you like best. Hit the notification bell so that you don't miss anything that I'm making, and I'll see you soon in another video. Bye, everybody.